United Kingdom, we are tired of this one Nigeria. You people should come and separate us the way we are before. One Nigeria have been slaughtered, millions of Igbos, then slaughtered them. Millions of Igbos have died. And since that Biafran war till today, they are still slaughtering Igbos. Python dance, crow dance, they are still sending it in this east. Slaughtering innocent youth. Calling them Biafra, slaughtering them. We are tired. Please, United Nations, you people should do the right thing. Tell them they should come and separate us the way we are before. That is why many African countries are running to Russia. That is why many African countries right now are going to Russia, because they have disappointed from United Nations. United Nations have disappointed Africans. British have disappointed Africans. That is why most of African countries, their individual are now leaving you people, are going to Russia because of the bad characters. You people valued money more than the people you colonize. United Nations, please help me to tell Britain, United Kingdom, if they know the way they came to Nigeria and join us together as one Nigeria, they should come and separate us the way we are before. We Igbos are tired of this one Nigeria. We are tired of this one Nigeria. United Kingdom, Britain, you people should come and separate us the way we are before. You people come and join us together as one Nigeria. One Nigeria has been slaughtered millions of Igbos during the Biafran war. And you, United Kingdom, slaughtered millions of Igbos during the Biafran war. We are tired of this one Nigeria. Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.